Glitz has a monthly subscription, and this one is dedicated to all things nail art. This is my first time receiving their box, and October is Halloween theme. I'm super excited to open this today. Let's go ahead and get started. Happy fall, y'all. Let your creativity soars. It's glitter. Fine and chunky gold glitter. I love gold. It looks like they threw in a sample of some green glitter. And I get a 10% for any future orders. Here's the green glitter. This looks to be some Halloween themed nail art stuff. This is a little hard to open right now. My hands have lotion on it, so it's a little slippery. But there's some webs, ghosts, happy Halloween signs, and candy is what I see so far. My hands are so slippery I can't open them, but they are 3D charms. Flowers, iridescent, some beads. This is pretty. Oh, this is pretty. It's a flower. It's a flower with an emerald stone. This one's cool. More charms. Ooh, I have to do a set of nails with this. That's a skull. Looks like I forget what that is. Not a devil's head. A ghost, a skeleton, and this one is it's like some sort of mask, but look how cool they look. I'm excited about this. Up next, we have some sticker decals, and aren't these adorable? Gucci, and it's Halloween theme. Hey, these are adorable. Love this. Then I have some fall theme stickers. There's foxes, bunnies, leaves. Love this. I received 2 of the 100/180 grit file. I saw this one on their IG when they were designing a nail using some charms and these little beads, and I was hoping that the subscription box would include the orange little beads, and I'm excited about this. It's called Diamond Dust Pixie. Yay! Super excited about this. And the last item in the box are some nail transfer foils. Oh, I like these. This one has snake, jaguar. There's a skull in here. There's more skulls, skeleton. These are really unique. I haven't seen these before. These Halloween themed ones. Skulls again. Skulls. This one's kind of cool. Yeah, skeleton. Ooh. Let's open this one up and check it out. This one is so adorable. I don't know what it is, but it is so cute. It's kind of like anime characters. is very unique. I haven't seen these before. Let's see what these look like here. These are skulls, more skulls. These are awesome. I really like this box. I can never put these foils back the way they had it. It's never pretty. It always sticks right back up. I'm not going to show, I'm not going to take out all of them. I'll show you a few that I got here. I think they're kind of unique. Okay, these. Let's see if I can keep my hands so you can see it. Skull, skeleton. This one's kind of cool. Now let's open up these ones here. Let's open up this one here. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.